What's up guys? Today on Cooking with James, we're gonna cook this beautiful tri-tip in a sous vide. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, so I've just received in the post this amazing device. This is the Anova, the newest sous vide machine, which I've got set up over here in a water bath that I picked up on Amazon pretty cheaply. The lid specifically fits the Anova, so as you can see, it's easy to open the lid. A lot of people use pots, but it's actually really good to use something with a lid because otherwise you get a lot of evaporation, especially if you are doing a very long cook. Today it's going to be quite a short cook. We've got this beautiful piece of tri-tip from my local butchers, Porkies Butchers, and he's put a lovely kind of salt and pepper rub on there. We're gonna get into it, we're gonna vacuum pack it, get it into the water bath at 60 degrees. That will give us a nice, even kind of medium cook, sear it off, and it's gonna be beautiful. So let's get it vacked up. First off, just get a seal on one side because this is a roll. These vacuum sealers are super cheap from Amazon. I'm using an Andrew James one. Link in the description below if you want to check that out. And it's fantastic, it's amazing. We've been using it for doing some fermentation as well as vac sealing meat. So, bottom is sealed. Now gonna get this beautiful piece of tri-tip in there. We're gonna get this in the sealer now. Vacuum seal this. Beautiful. So we've now got the meat nicely sealed in there, all the air's taken out, and that is going to be juicy. As you'll see here, the temperature is just around about 60 degrees now, so we can get it in, and I think we're going to leave this in for about 2 hours before we get a really hot sear on it. So let's get it in. You're going to want the meat fully submerged. Obviously, having it vacuum sealed really helps with that. Sometimes people will use kind of bulldog clips on the side of the pot to help, or else you can get these kind of metal, almost look like toast racks to put steaks in, so that can be helpful. We're quite fortunate this is quite a big bit of meat and it's fully vacuum sealed, so that is now fully submerged in there, 60 degrees for about 2 hours. Okay, so the steak has now been in the sous vide for about 2 hours, and we're gonna get it out and give it a beautiful sear. Just gonna cut into this. Okay, and there. Okay, so we want to get a really nice sear on this now. Get a pan nice and hot, get some oil in there, and we're just going to give it a really quick sear so we develop a really nice crust. We really don't want this to be in the pan for too long because obviously the sous vide has cooked it to perfection, perfect medium, hopefully. We're really just wanting to render down some of that fat, get a nice delicious crust on it, and then get it out. I'll probably give it a bit longer on the fat, and then on the other sides it will just be very, very quick. Take this off the heat now. We're just gonna let it rest a couple of minutes and then we'll cut into the beauty. It smells amazing, doesn't it? All right guys, let us get into this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's like butter. Look at that. That is just perfect. This consistent color all the way through, as you can see, it's a lovely medium. It's so soft, that is gonna taste just delicious. It's just like, it is like butter. It tastes a nice crispy bit on the end. Getting into a little bit of this. Smells amazing. Just a beautiful, soft texture. It had a nice sort of salt and pepper rub on it, so the pepper's really good. And I mean, I just love the fact it's just so beautifully and evenly cooked all the way through. It's just amazing. And it's hot inside, like my finger is sort of burning, like, you know, right in the center here. This is such a lovely way to cook meat, and I'm really excited to do more videos like this. If you want any more information about the kit I've used here, make sure you check out the links in the description below. And if you want to see more videos of us doing some sous vide stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we'll definitely be doing more. And if you've got any suggestions, let us know in the comments, what would you like to see us cook with the sous vide next. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.